Ngaran mentang ni po Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital keberan po nong ba Shillong hadin Melayu Jingtip ya ke Jingkhlad ke Besmusi ke ba i MP Badan Buram Ijangi na Shillong constituency hang te po Lok Sabha i Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon imdon shu akan ke pertai ba Melayu Jingtip ru na ki bahayeng bahasem ba hakapor ba idang yele kai football hang te po mulai mauyong ila kelon balara noi i shapo mauyong CHC Henry nak jingbam don doktor hangte kila haban ra no shani shapo Robert Hospital Henry ke basmosi kalong ba hadim lawan ra hangni la yo jingte ba imdon show hakani ka perthai ti hakani ka jingya don hangni po Robert Hospital ki balawan khmi ki lawan jungo ki kanthub ya u mentri rang ba jongi u Konrad ke sangma u kisembut mentri rang ba bro arwun ima umas nyaw bhalang dhar bat iba preston tin song ringkat bagi he sarkar ki wei pat umba phi hi ba ya kamet jong i Dr. Ricky onra shwa shpo boxe ka bade ka yeng kemi ka jong i nang to kin sarai ka e bakin le
a very shocking moment for I think all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Syngkon about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Syngkon. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Syngkon had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's getting better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jhanti Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Syngkon, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Syngkon. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal bliss. We have discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the BAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Syngkon. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget tomorrow.
Nakaliang jong na liang jong ka sorkari beroi pada liang jong ki leaders habo ka Jylla kala kalong kai ka Pangnud ka balong Kyndit adu kata ya ka Jingkhlad kan san no I Dr. Ricky Syngkon WMP badon long jong ka Shillong constituency dengan so ba ia dan bentalang mentakabit nadu chief minister jongi pat mami bro iba sobahan ki MLAs jongi paro ki MDCs ki bidan lak paro ba ibu ya kini ke Jingkhlad ke pasnosi ki bangi un ki brio mima ban kriak tang ha ke Jingkhlad utei pan jero hu kam tipa bar ngamit scam lu bakali gede ka plan ke jomo pan jero te ni pha ya ka jing skolem sha ki para jong I paro ki ba yin ba sem jong I ba Syngkon paro ba ni permen scam ni tuai ho le unai ya ka jing ja thai yau shakri jong bat kum ju unai ya ka jing tengen ya ki ba yin ba sem paro te ka be te bat ka session ka bini don la shai ka ski kumbai CM la ka tai ka BSc kan shong la shai ka ski bat nakaliang jong ka sorkar lang ba jong chief minister jongi ila pha ya ka jing snow ba la kum no kum no la shai ka ski I dei ban ajon ya kan ka house ka jongi la shai tin le ya kata ngin sale la shai ka ski ha ka ba ngi ham ru ya ka ban don ka abiswi reference kajing ai buram khadu ya uni uno ya lam jong ka Jylla mekla jongi bat ya kani minsa petip chipi la shai ka sni hadien ba ka BSc ka shok hapo ka office jong speaker badan buram jongi
Angkal kumba pensau siam badan buram jongi nakali jongaro kumjung so tu kum gani jingjang pan pau jing so si bakrau bat pau jing so lem ya ke jing barok kawai ma ke jing jia ka so si de bom poi perkat tergeleng jonga ngai condolences ya ke jing kesem jing bar ki Syngkon barok kawai ni so tu bagani barok kadai ga jing penya uban lor ane hoi kum ki burung mla ban pedeng handai ni sane au ban lor gani jing do ni yap no jong bar ki Syngkon bakhlem poi berkat tengi kum ke parti kam tam na personal ke jongaro ni pan pau yu so lem so do jing do yu no lam jongi UMP buran buram jongi terang ni jongi kata hai tiga ai baro nang jong sarkar CM mila patah yang baro ini lek